दहर में वे यारो मददगार नहीं हम, पहले की तरह बेकसोला जार नहीं हम।
With my brothers and my sister and myself was a difference in how the children were treated. Even though we were all educated, we all had to do homework and housework and everything, but still there was a difference.
My parents' only children, my brother who was older than me, so society tended to treat him differently.
Well, the women's movement is a movement where women's issues, their needs, their other problems are identified collectively.
The history of the women's movement in Pakistan is a long and tumultuous one, seldom related or celebrated. With the first demand for equality to the building of a new state, we celebrate the pioneers. When approached by Begum Jahanara Shahnawaz in 1937 to seek permission for the formation of a women's Muslim league, Jinnah stood up and replied that he did not believe in separate men and women's organizations, but in their working together from the primary league upwards. It may seem that sanction for political and social activism was gifted to women by the patriarchs of their times. The truth is, with or without encouragement, women of the subcontinent boldly broke their silence as early as the 1900s with the women's reform movement and the Anjuman-e-Khawateen-e-Islam demanding educational rights, right to inheritance, voting rights, and an end to polygamy.
At the turn of the century, last century, when the nationalist struggle began in India, you found that women came out demanding, education rights. Then went on to political participation. We have to see this as a movement which has been over a few decades and culminating in the Tehreek-e-Pakistan, the Pakistan movement.
The struggle for an independent state based on equality of the sexes, justice and tolerance as promised by Jinnah saw the largest mobilization of women, protesting against the religious conservatives and agitating against the unionist government.
So you find that every moment that there's been a political movement, women also get inducted, sometimes very consciously, sometimes they create the space themselves. It was B. Amma, Maulana Shaukat Ali Johar and Muhammad Ali Johor's mother who came out into politics because of a political struggle, the Khilafat movement.
We had many women who joined, and you have Shaista Ikramullah and others who were part of it, saying that, it seemed as if all of the boundaries had just been taken away in that period, and you could reinvent your role as women and as men.
The 1946 general elections in India saw for the first time two women leaguers, Begum Salma Tasadduq Hussain and Jahanara Shahnawaz, as candidates.
जब कारकुनाने तहरीक पाकिस्तान की तहरीक का आगाज़ हुआ तो तब बेगमात महल्ले महल्ले में जाके मीटिंग करके मतलब करती थी और उन्हें बताती थी कभी पाकिस्तान बनेगा इस्लामी हुकूमत होगी आप क्यों नहीं आते बाहर निकले तो जो औरतें कभी घरों से निकली नहीं थी वो भी आ गई थी.
First time we had a flag which was a woman who got onto the secretariat in Lahore, a young schoolgirl, and took her dupatta off and took the Union Jack off and tied her dupatta as the Pakistani flag.
बेगमात ने दी उनकी गिरफ्तारियाँ तो जुलूस की शक्ल में हम उनके पास उधर गए जेल रोड पे ये औरतों की जेल हुआ करती थी जिसमें बेगम शाहनवाज, मुमताज़ शाहनवाज, सलमा तसद्दुक़ हुसैन, फातिमा बेगम, बेगम करीम दा, शमीम जुलंदरी, नासरा कियानी और खालदा चुगताई, इन्होंने गिरफ्तारियाँ दी हुई थी। तो उस दिन हम जुलूस की शक्ल में गए उधर, तो वहाँ भी नारेबाजी करके आ गए। तो आए सीधा सेक्रेटेरिएट, और हज़ारों लड़की औरतें थीं, बच्चे घसीटते हुए आ रही हैं, नारे लग रहे हैं, कायदे आज़म जिंदाबाद, मुस्लिम लीग जिंदाबाद, बन के रहेगा पाकिस्तान, ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह अल्लाहु अकबर, ये नारे थे। तो उस दिन ये मुझसे कारनामा हुआ कि मैंने यूनियन जैक उतार के मुस्लिम लीग का परचम लहरा दिया।
This country was founded on a girl protesting. That it was a very dramatic moment. The Union Jack is brought down by a girl.